With your friend, it was all friendly on my end. Even though I look forward to seeing you again. When am I seeing you again? Hey, when are we speaking again? Yeah, you look good with that ink on your skin. Good, but you far from the.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is this pre-curled wig. Yes, this wig was pre-curled straight out of the packaging. I just went ahead and threw in my little tweaks to it, but it was pre-curled and it's holding the curls, which is so mind-blowing to me. Alright, so today's video is a collaboration with Celie Hair. So Celie Hair sent me over this pre-curled wig and I'm going to show you everything that comes in the packaging. I'm going to play some music because this is very self-explanatory. So enjoy this video and then I'll come back at the end to talk to you guys again.
One of them ones.
I did it for my granny. Back when we couldn't buy pizza cause we were down to pennies. Feel like we go back a century, run to the store for centuries. Then bring it back to your brother, man, we had to respect it. He was wavy doing mixtapes out of your basement. He let us take it on occasion for entertainment. Didn't even leave us at the house and go out on a mission. We probably would've got in less trouble just going with him. Feel like I never say much, but man, that's a lot to know. Feel like the difference between us really starting to show. I'm looking at they first week numbers like, what are those? I mean, you boys not even coming close. I gave like you a reason for celebration. You number one and I'm Eddie Murphy, we trading places. Look in the mirror, I'm closer than I really appear. Creeping like chili without the tender love and care. No tender love and care, no love and affection. I got a price on my head, but there's a risk to collecting. I might be here as a vessel to teach people a lesson. Feel like they wanted me dead, but couldn't pull it together. Yeah. But here we are and it's a new semester. 40, the only one that know how I deal with the pressure. A couple nights where it started to feel like the feelings faded. A lot of problems that can't be fixed with a conversation. Yeah. Your best day is my worst day. I get green like Earth Day. You treat me like I'm born yesterday, you forgot my birthday. You don't be scoring perfect. You don't be working like how we be working. You platinum like rappers on Hershey's, boy, that's what it's worthless. You get the message over and over like it was urgent. And then act like you ain't heard it when you see me in person. The only thing I did to end up here was put the work in. And did it with a purpose. Used to have secret handshakes to confirm my friendships. Nowadays they just shaking my hand to hide the tension. A lot of people just hit me up when my name is mentioned. Shout out to KD, we relate, we get the same attention. It's raining money, Oklahoma City Thunder. The most successful rapper 35 and under. I'm assuming everybody's 35 and under. That's when I'm planning to retire, man, it's already funded. Yeah. I brought your wifey out the St. Martin. She violated, I sent her back where it all started. How quick they are to forget about their bachelor apartment. Leave it like you could show them light in the darkness. Told my mama that I found a lady in the east. Cancun when I got signed, they upgraded the suite. Don Julio in the freezer that they gave us for free. I get you all you can eat, just have some patience with me. You wouldn't tell me you love me, started seeing Monique. Last time I heard from Monique, T-Minus was making beats. I used to hit the corner store to get Tahiti treat. Now they talk at the corner store as I'm TBE. The best ever, don't ever question, you know better. Ain't always how it seems when it's so together. Yeah. I let that last line breathe and take a second to get it. Western road flows, my confidence level getting settled. Don't get hyped for the moment, then start to backpedal. Don't let your newfound fame fool you, cloud up your judgment to talk loosely. I really do this, been flowing stupid since Vince Carter was on some through the legs arm in a hooch. Drinking hypnotic with Glueless, I've been through it. Y'all was so afraid to lay claim to it. Too busy face screwing on waist movements. You was riding TTC Metro, I had the place booming. First take Drake, you know I rarely have to take to it. And they still take to it. Big Apple had the white Hummer parked right in front of Fluid. And we be walking in that minute like we already knew it. But money can't buy happiness, jelly talking truthful. But I'm happiest when I can buy what I want, get how I want. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
I'll show you right now. Nobody do it quite like you. Treat you better. Oh, I'm the best you've ever had. It's true. I'll show you better. I know you better. But you think it twice. There's some real shit needed in your life. Ooh, don't you overthink and sympathize. Ooh, going down just the way you like. Oh, here it was, got you thinking twice. You need this shit till you're satisfied. Ooh, it ain't your time, now you on the line. Ooh, got you hot, baby, roll the dice.
Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the wig turned out. Absolutely beautiful. It's holding the curls, which is so crazy, but if you don't know how to curl your wig, then this is a wig for you. This is a pre-curled hair, and you can follow along with this video if you want to put the layers and stuff in it, but it's really not necessary. But yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
To the time we a nigga used to trip by the time we spent growing we were just friends. It was all friendly on my end, even though I look forward to seeing you again. Like, when am I seeing you again? Hey, when are we speaking again? Yeah, you look good with that ink on your skin. Hood, but you far from the streets you was in. Oh yeah.